Today we're gonna bring a white ceiling fan. You can see that. It comes included with LED light. Its cover is not made of glass. It's made of plastic, so you don't have to worry about dropping it. They give you the remote control, the actual module, batteries included, and also the actual instructions how to set this up. Now, to set this up, this is flush. It's not too high, so you don't have to worry about being too low. We're gonna put it together and see how high it is and how low you can use it for.
So when you install this plate, make sure that you have enough clearance for the electrical to be able to pull it through on the top.
When you get out of the box, it's not connected, so all you gotta connect it. Make sure you match the colors. The white one with white, blue with blue, and this is actually the connection that's gonna connect the rest of it. But additional connections you're gonna require for your power. You're gonna need ground, live, and neutral.
So make sure you unscrew your light so you could put it up there, because this is an adjustable plate that it has, but if you don't remove the light, you won't be able to get it on. So make sure you unscrew it, remove it, and then you put the plate on top. So the plate is already mounted with the adjustable holes. So now we're gonna start putting up the light.
All right, so the fan is completed. It will look very well, easy to use with the control. It has a stand for the control itself. It uses 2 AAA batteries. There's hourly too that you can set up, and also different modes. You could go reverse on the actual fan, but my best part is just you can always turn off the light, completely darkness here, turn it back on. And of course it changes different modes every time you change it on. You could minimize it, you could dim it down by hitting the dim down. And we're gonna do that. We're gonna dim it down just by hitting the button. And you can see it, and then you can hit the plus button, if you guys can see the plus button here, and you can bring it back up. So like I said, off and on button, it's right in the center. Off and on button, you got level 1, and it starts going. Level 6, and the fan starts working again. Now, just to let you know, the propeller is very powerful. It's 53 inches, so, and it's very flush. I'm going to show you how flush it is. I'm going to put my camera up there when we stop the fan right now. So let's go ahead and turn off the fan. So the fan clearance is about 6 inches from the roof to the bottom of the light. That's pretty much what you're going to require on this. This fan is made of plastic. It's 53 inches. It's very powerful, it gives a lot of air around it, and not only that, the light's very powerful too. And like I said, it has 3 different modes, and with the remote, it's a plus. I hope you guys enjoy the video.